Hi there, thanks a lot for joining us for your web forecast. Boy, it was another bitterly cold start to the day, but at least some early sunshine. Made it look nice outside. We will start the turnaround. The Arctic high pressure has given us those sub-zero wind chills all week long. Moves to the southeast as we head through the day today. Unfortunately, we've got a cold front headed our way, and it's going to cloud us up this afternoon. And while we'll see temperatures finally get into the 20s, mid-20s, well, we're going to see winds move in with those warmer highs, milder highs, I'll call it. And we'll see single-digit wind chills this afternoon at times. So it's going to be cold throughout the day, but at least we're turning the corner. And by the weekend, we'll get above our normal high, which is at the freezing mark right now. So a bitterly cold start, but that Arctic high starts to move out. We turn things around. We'll be 10 to 15 degrees warmer this afternoon than we were yesterday, but the winds won't make it feel that way. As we get into the weekend, we go above freezing. Enjoy it while you can, because we've got a frontal boundary that comes through Sunday, snow in your forecast, and another cool down headed your way. Yes, it's a forecast you're going to want to see at NBC 24 on air this evening with Norm at 5, 6, and 11. A lot going on in your forecast. Thanks a lot for joining us for your web forecast right here. We'll continue to keep you updated all day long right here at NBC24.com. Have a good one. Bundle up today. Get ready for a little bit milder weekend ahead.